let's make some root beer floats. Let's go. First, we have some root beer and some vanilla ice cream. Let's put some vanilla ice cream into our cup. At least like 2 big scoops. That should be good. And then pour your root beer. Make sure it doesn't fizz out or then you're wasting half of your root beer. Okay, wait till all that fizz comes down. Then to do more root beer. Now, straw. Then, let's drink. 10 out of 10 for sure.